Good morning, friends. Friday, we saw one of the largest volatile days. As expected, we were saying that the last 2 days was muted. So we were expecting a high volatile day. Along with that, the key levels was also been given on Friday afternoon. So what happened is like we got a trigger at 2350 with the stop loss at 2345. It made the trigger of 2350. It went low of 2347. Didn't hit our stop loss. But the problem was like everything got triggered under a minute. So everything like target one, target two, everything got triggered. The entry as well as the exit got triggered in 1 minute. So it was a very volatile session that we had witnessed. We were anticipating a correction to get a re-entry into the market, but then it so happened that we were taking out 2368, then we took out 2388 also ultimately by end of the day. So we saw a huge upside rally that has been seen in the last week of Friday. So we had a very volatile session. Now, if you were to look at it, the current underlying trend still remains at bullish. So there's no change of trend as such, though we are seeing some kind of passive sideways movement after a long upside. Now the good buy stands at through 2383. Currently we are hovering around 2384. So most likely like a good buy around a good buy only we are hovering around. And the best buy stands at 2375. Okay. Now my suggestion is like if you can wait for some more time or for towards 2375, you can take a trade at 2375 and keep a stop loss at 2368. That was our original breakout level. So that could be the stop loss. So if you were to look at it, the stop loss has been around $7 for this particular day, considering the volatility. Earlier, like last week, we were considering the stop loss of around $5. Now the stop loss is around $7, considering the volatility from the best buy. So if you were to wait for that particular level, then that is good. Otherwise, if you are a little bit risk taker, you can take an entry at the current levels of 2384 itself, because we have already triggered the good buy for the day. Now, speaking about the targets, there are two targets open, 2392 on the upside and 2398 on the upside. Most likely, we can see these two targets being hit in a session or two, if we were to hold this current underlying trend of bullishness in the market. Okay, considering the volumes were heavy on the Friday session, and in the morning, as usual, Monday morning, muted volumes are being seen. We have to wait for the volumes to get confirmation only in the post noon session, considering that this is a Monday. But apart from the volumes, if you were to look at it, Friday session saw a huge volume on the upside, as well as the current underlying trend is still holding on to the bullishness. We are hovering around the good buy levels, and we can take one more try of getting long and see how it goes. Keep a stop loss at 2368 for all the intraday as well as the positional trades, even if at all there is a breakout buy that you had made in the Friday session. So this is it for the day. We will stay connected at 4 o'clock. Thank you so much for watching this video.